matter. 3 games, 4 days, it don't matter. We here.
Yeah, that's a part of the game. I mean, it's competitive. Nobody wants to lose.
Buat saya sih emosional banget ya. Buat saya sangat emosional karena memang dari bayangin aja 27 tahun berkarir di wasit, 20 tahun di FIBA gitu.
Yo, what's up basketball fans and welcome back to the vlog. Dan sekarang ini kita di Dewa United Arena untuk nonton game regular season terakhir guys, yang akan menentukan siapa yang di posisi 1 masuk ke IBL Playoff. Ada Pelita Jaya, obviously, yang lagi menang 15 kali beruntun. Dan ada the home team Dewa United. Ini big game banget sih, dan semoga akan seru banget sih guys. So thank you so much guys for tuning into the vlog and hope you guys gonna enjoy it. You say J-Rock, not Dewa. Yang duduk courtside di Dewa United bisa bawa pulang foto / peraturan penonton. Jadi ini kayak souvenir juga sih. Pretty cool. One question, bro. You shot an air ball free throw against Prawira. Did you do a push up for that?
Yeah, I did about 100.
Yes.
I did about 100 for that one.
the right side,
Yeah, I did about 100 for that, man.
100 for that.
Yeah, bro. Shit happens though, so it was just one of those moments.
Alright.
But we won, so that counts.
T3 be talking shit about me, man.
T3?
Yeah.
That's what he do, man. That's what he do. But we love him to death.
Yes, sir. We love him. We love him. Thank you, KJ.
Appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate it. Sulap dulu guys, belum game. Jadi voucher. Oke, datang game PJ terus. Max, apa tim favoritnya PJ nih?
Enggak, aku support sama semuanya karena Kak Dita dan lain-lain. Jadi aku dimanapun dan siapapun yang ngajak nonton aku hadir.
Hari ini mau nonton siapa? Ada pemain favorit nggak?
Anthony Bean sama Agassi. Terus kalau dari sini Solano sama Arki.
Oke. Kapan balik ke Amerika nih buat persiapan D1?
Soon. Soon. Ada deh.
Masih enjoy liburan ya?
Ya.
Pegang siapa?
Gak pegang siapa-siapa, kita lihat. Kita lihat.
Good answer. Mika, hai.
Halo.
Mau nonton siapa Mik hari ini?
Gak nonton siapa-siapa, cuma dateng, diajak, jadi aku nonton doang.
Gimana spend time sama kakaknya?
Senang-senang.
Seneng ya?
Dapat latihan basket banyak.
Diajarin basket terus ya?
Iya.
Oke, enjoy guys. Thank you. Coach DG selalu a vibe. So, he's a vibe always. Looks like he's a big break fan. So. We got James Dickey in the house with the PJ Varsity jacket. Wow, we got Mas Harja in the house tonight. Udah lama banget nggak lihat Mas Harja niup di IBL. This is gonna be his last dance, I think. So happy lihat Mas Harja lagi. Let's go. Karena ini adalah pertandingan terakhir bagi salah satu wasit. Last dance. The last dance. Let's go Mas Harja.
Yeah, man. I'm excited that we got a chance to pull that win out on the road. 3 games in 4 days is a lot to ask out of your team. It was a lot of commitment on the mental part because we had to scout for 36 players in the last 3-4 days, and so it was a lot of mental going on. And to come in this environment with what was on the line for us to receive first place and to play a really, really good Dewa team, man, who's been on the roll. I tip my hat off to my team, so I'm proud of them. And at the end of the day, we're just celebrating today, and we're going to forget about it tomorrow because we got to get ready for the playoffs.
Thank you, Coach. For Jigo, do you have any comments for today's match?
No, like Coach said, 3 games in 4 days. So part of the guys that we pushed through mentally for real. Just preparing the way that we did, locking in on film, things like that. So we were locked in. Proud of the guys.
Thank you.
Coach, first of all, congratulations on locking up the first seed. You mentioned in the last game that you guys are still far away from where you want to be. In what aspects do you think this team, especially now, I think 15-game winning streak?
I don't know.
Yeah, in what aspect do you think this team still can improve in?
Oh, a lot of ways. Communication, effort, second effort plays, cleaning up the defensive rebounds. I mean, I can go on and on. I'm never satisfied, and these guys know it. I'm always pushing to be better than what they were yesterday. So, at the end of the day, I'm really happy of our effort and our fight. Effort and energy is something that I can't coach or teach, and so they brought it the last 3-4 games. They've been bringing it the last month and a half since I've been here. So, but it's a lot of improvement, and we get this time off until the first week of July, I believe, something like that. We start our playoffs.
I know that you just mentioned that you play 3 games in 4 nights, and of course the long break. I mean, like, you guys have all the momentum right now, all the rhythm. Do you like this long break, or does it concern you a bit?
I mean, nothing concerns you if you always prepare your team to be ready. So, I mean, yes, we've had breaks here and there, but then also we bounce back. Our practices are very competitive. Our coaching staff makes sure that, everything is on, we're on top of everything. So I'm not worried about the break. I just want to make sure everybody is 100% healed, and hopefully this time gives us that opportunity.
I want to acknowledge our players for making a big effort tonight. Almost 32 minutes with the lead. We unraveled a little bit in the fourth quarter. We could never control the way that, they went to the free throw line, like 30 free throws on the road against 13 of us. We could never control that aspect of the game. But overall, I want to acknowledge our players for 32 minutes of great basketball. Obviously, we still have ways to go, and hopefully we can keep building as the playoffs progress.
Oke, ini Coach, untuk Alex, apakah ada komentar untuk permainan hari ini?
Nggak ada sih. Nah, dia kita kalah terus ya inilah kalau menurut gua sih kalau lawan tim-tim sekualitas PJ gini ya memang nggak bisa bikin kesalahan lah, apalagi di detik-detik yang menentukan gitu. Jadi pelajaran buat kita, apalagi playoff semua tim semuanya bagus, mereka bisa punish kita every mistakes we make pasti. Jadi ya itu sih pelajarannya.
Seneng sih, maksudnya cuma agak sedikit pressure juga karena kan emang kalau dari season sebelumnya emang nggak terlalu banyak dapat menit, dan di season sekarang dengan adanya Coach Justin sekarang dapat menit lebih banyak, jadi ya tanggung jawab aja sih, dikasih menit yang banyak juga kalau dipasing sama temen ya harus masukin bola aja.
Tapi ini kayak Aldi yang gue tonton di Cempaka Putih waktu Indonesia Muda sih.
Balik lagi ya.
Iya, ini cuek banget. Ini benar-benar karena kepercayaan dirinya apakah lagi paling tinggi nih.
Ada satu penghambat dia, ada satu.
Apa? Penghambatnya dia ada satu.
Nggak di-spill?
Bukan, kurang liburan aja. Dia harus liburannya harus banyak.
Liburan.
Rahasia itu.
Percaya dirinya Aldi hari ini lagi paling tinggi atau gimana?
Belum sampai situ, cuma on the process sampai sana. Jadi ya pokoknya emang dipercaya sama yang lain juga untuk dapat emang spot shot kosong, pokoknya apapun dimanapun kosong.
Aldi. Ya semenjak liburan ke Singapura jadi jago banget. Jadi panas. Habis liburan ke Singapura demam. Jadi jago dia.
Kayak
Ini
gitu.
emang lu harus gitu sih.
Harus kayak itu sih, maksudnya dipercaya sama yang lain, jadi ya just make the shot.
Jadi coach ini gimana nih? Energinya baik banget ini. Masa coach?
Ini
Iya.
semuanya sih, energi, support, pokoknya emang selalu dikasih kredit sih, apapun itu, misalnya mau salah, benar, dikasih tahu, just next play mentality.
Back karena ini kan Wato cedera ya, absen yang Wato berarti tanggung jawabnya lebih nih kayak ke lo, karena lo harus ngisi kekosongannya. Gimana nih persiapannya ntar sebelum playoff nih untuk bisa ngambil tanggung jawab itu?
Jujur sih ya lumayan berat lah. Jadi kita misalnya kehilangan Brandon, jadi emang harus ada extra work juga dari misalnya dari gua pemain 3, mungkin nanti ada beberapa yang lain juga, jadi ya dibenahi sih, maksudnya apa yang ada dari keunggulan Brandon harus kita pelajari juga, jadi emang kita harus menutup kekosongan Brandon biar soalnya itu emang Brandon tuh tetap ada di tim.
Kalau back to back ini defending champion itu pressure lebih tinggi nggak sih untuk ngejar lagi nih back to back ini?
Ya kalau bilang iya, karena kan lebih sulit mempertahankan dibanding mendapatkan, bener nggak?
Betul. Oke, thank you dia. Good luck ya di final.
Thank you.
Talk about locking up the first seed.
It's a great feeling for sure. Team gelling at the right moment. Still got some things you got to clean up, but we're doing good right now.
Things getting physical, a little bit heading to the playoff. A little crazy, but it's fun.
Yeah, it is for sure. It was a fun game. Last 2 games was real fun. Yeah, just good competition. Always fun to play in these type games.
Talk about that left-handed. I don't know what was it. Was it a layup?
Tell me what? Yeah.
That was crazy.
That's that Kyrie bag.
It was that Kyrie bag though,
Sure.
But talk about this back trying to defend the championship. Do you think it's gonna be much tougher this time?
Yeah, for sure. The second one always is tough. We just got to belong to it. I like the way we're playing right now. The team gelling together. JT putting us in the right spots, keeping us where we got to be at. So we feeling really good. Just got to stay where we at.
And
stay humble.
Talk about Aldi though. Aldi stepping up with Jawado absence
Slim
right
Reaper.
now.
Slim. Big shots. Big shot Aldi, man.
All
Coming
right.
on at the right time. That's what we need.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, man.
Yes,
Appreciate
sir,
you, man. As always.
Great feeling, man.
I'm flash through the back.
See, guys, feeling good. We gonna celebrate tonight, but we just gotta shift our focus. Focus on first round against the Hawks, and not take them lightly. We know they're, a hungry team, and we know the talent that they have. But it's a great feeling to get that first spot.
15-game winning streak.
Yeah.
You realize that?
I didn't realize it, but that's a good feeling as well. Just to know, how JT's come in and done an effective job and it translate over into the games. And we just got to keep it going, keep motivating each other, and keep fighting. That's what we're gonna do.
I know Jawado is a big loss for you guys, but what do you like the most right now for this team? How this team playing right now?
The guys are stepping up. We understand that when a man goes down, it's next man mentality. So I'm proud of the guys that are stepping up and taking in that place. So there's a lot of big shoes to fill, and collectively we have to do it as a team and just keep playing.
Little scrimmage at the end, but that's gonna get you guys ready, right?
That's a part of the game. It's competitive. Nobody wants to lose, and and we just have to, know that that's gonna be like you said, it's a step into the playoffs, and the intensity is gonna be there. But yeah, it was a good try, man. That's what we're there for.
Yes, sir, KJ. They about to go home. Thank you, KJ.
Appreciate you, brother.
I'm sorry, KJ. I'm sorry. Gara-gara gue interview KJ, dikerubutin KJ-nya. My bad, KJ. Nih, KJ holic semua. Jera. Bro, do you know it's gonna be the last Zeke end, bro?
Last Zeke in. You better be cracking though.
Thank you.
Last Zeke end. You gonna be there? August?
For sure we'll be there.
Jangan sama gua, sama Jerok aja. Siap. Ngefans sama siapa, Jerok? KJ. Oh, Jerok. Keren jersinya, keren. Mas Harja, selamat ya atas karirnya yang luar biasa sebagai wasit. Hari ini terakhir meniup sebagai wasit. Apa aja tadi yang Mas Harja rasakan di game hari ini sih?
Ya buat saya sih emosional banget ya. Buat saya sangat emosional karena memang dari bayangin aja 27 tahun berkarir di wasit, 20 tahun di FIBA gitu kan, serve FIBA, serve bola basket di Indonesia juga gitu ya. IBL saya 21 tahun berarti kan. Emosional banget sih buat saya. Ini emang karena wasit memang sudah bagian dari hidup saya ya. Ini sangat memang susah dikata-katain lah. Masih emosional saya sekarang.
Jadi apa nih next journey-nya untuk Mas Harja?
Ya ini bukan akhir sebenarnya. Ini bukan akhir buat kiprah saya di bola basket. Pastinya saya pengen berkiprah juga tapi dengan peran yang lain ya. Nggak langsung turun tapi saya pasti pengen berkiprah di menciptakan wasit-wasit lain, wasit-wasit muda untuk bisa berprestasi. Saya bermimpi untuk wasit-wasit muda ini bisa berprestasi lebih dari saya. Pastinya pengen World Cup, Olimpik bahkan mungkin kan. Saya pengen mereka bisa sampai ke level sana.
Sekarang ini untuk Mas Harja sendiri perannya gimana nih cara Mas Harja bisa membantu wasit-wasit muda biar agar juga wasit-wasit banyak yang tertarik juga sih untuk jadi wasit sih semoga ke depannya.
Semoga ya itu dia. Salah satu kendala kita adalah minat orang untuk jadi wasit masih rendah menurut saya pribadi, masih kurang. Mungkin itu juga buat PR buat kita untuk bisa merekrut. Kalau ada mungkin mantan pemain nasional junior, mungkin mantan pemain nasional yang udah nggak ini lagi gitu, pemain yang sudah nggak produktif lagi jadi wasit akan lebih bagus sebenarnya, iya kan? Cuman kan sampai saat ini belum ada ya pemain yang mau jadi wasit ya. Rata-rata paling pemain kampus, kayak saya dulu ya pemain kampus juga.
Oke, terakhir pesan-pesan Mas Harja lah untuk wasit-wasit muda.
Ya sama sih, saya selalu pesan ke teman-teman wasit muda untuk selalu tetap keep learning, sama teruslah bermimpi. Kalau buat saya itu penting, karena saya pribadi juga bermimpi dari mulai pengen bertahap ya, pengen jadi wasit nasional, naik terus mimpinya selalu ada mimpi yang harus saya raih dan harus ada langkah-langkah yang diambil sih. Itu yang penting ya, bukan cuma mimpinya aja sih, tapi langkahnya apa ya untuk mencapai mimpi itu gitu kan, gitu sih.
Oke, sekali lagi selamat Mas Harja dan terima kasih banyak atas semua kerja kerasnya untuk basket Indonesia dan juga perwasitan ya.
Makasih.
Please join my channel, guys.